eksperto sa lumulubong bilang ng mga kabataang nabubuntis.
Magaling at masipag naman ako sa pag-aaral, pero halos naghihirap na rin yung magulang ko para mapag-aral ako. Kaya naisipan ko na lang magnobyo. Nagbabasakali niya makatulong sa pag-aaral ko. Akala ko yun lang yun. Hindi ako nag-iingat. Hindi ako nakontento. Lahat ng pangarap ko hindi ko matutupad. Dahil mabilis mo ako.
Good day, everyone! We are here today to raise awareness about an important issue preventing unplanned pregnancy. Unplanned pregnancy doesn't just affect individuals. It also impacts their families, education, and future goals. It can cause emotional stress, financial struggles, and missed opportunities.
But the good news is this can be prevented. The first step is education. Knowing the facts about reproductive health help us to make informed decisions and avoid risky choices.
Communication is also key. It's important to have an open and honest conversation with your partner about family planning, ensuring both of you understand the risks and responsibilities.
Another essential step is protection. Using safe and effective contraceptives is a responsible choice. Don't hesitate to seek advice from the health professionals about best options for you.
Most importantly, remember that you're doomed and future buffer. Think ahead, make the responsible decision, and take control of your life.
Let's break the silence and spread awareness. If you have questions, reach out to health centers, teachers, and trusted mentors. Together, let's stop unplanned pregnancies by staying informed, responsible, and empowered.
Huli na ba ang lahat?
Hindi pa. Hindi pa.
Hindi pa.
Hindi pa.
Di pa huli ang lahat dahil sabi nga nila,
Prevention is always better than cure.
Bigyan natin ng solusyon upang mapigilan ang pagtaas ng teenage pregnancy rate.
kaya ako,
At kaming lahat ay nananawagan na kailangan ng mga kabataan ang tamang patnubay at pag-aalaga ng mga magulang.